Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to control the background colors of the image hover widget. Let's get started! First, go to your Command Ninja editor. Once you're in the editor, press the Look and Feel button. This will open up the customization options for your widget. Next, click on the Basic tab. Here you can choose any animation for your widget. Explore the different animations to find the one that suits your style. After you've chosen an animation, click on the Advanced tab. Scroll down until you find the Effect Background option. This is where the magic happens. You can choose any color you want for the background of your hover effect. To add a color, simply click on the color box and select your desired shade. If you want to get more creative, click the plus button to add another color and create a gradient effect. This allows you to blend multiple colors together for a unique look. These colors will affect all types of animations and each one will have a different look, so feel free to experiment to find the perfect combination. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!